all over again, like the way this thing trades. Okay, could we see $20 all over again for COAI? We might, but we have to work through the levels first here. So the first level of resistance is going to probably be this 100-day moving average at 785, which is right where that is confluent with the 0.382 level at $7.73. So I think that's the first level of resistance to that we need to work through before we can then see higher prices. Then we'll see how it handles itself at the psychological $10 level, which is where the 0.5 retracement's at, and also kind of like confluent with the 50-day moving average. I'm sorry, the 50 moving average on the 4-hour time frame at 1044. So you would expect some resistance at $10, and I would expect some resistance at 770 here for COAI. Let's get into the 1-hour chart. See what the 1-hour chart. See if there's anything interesting on the 1-hour chart. Just the moving averages change on the 1-hour chart. You do have the 200 moving average above you at 945, and then the 100-day moving average at 1062. So I think once this thing gets above like 940 and starts getting to $10, then you'll see some resistance, because you'll basically be doubling your money from there, right? If I just measure that out here with the long position, okay, and if you just get up to that 200 moving average on the 1-hour time frame, that's a 70% move up on COAI. And if you get up to like the 100-day moving average, the 100 moving average on the 1-hour time frame is what I should say, that's about a 90% move up in price. And you're very close to possibly bottoming out here on COAI. If you could just put your stop loss at like, 480 or 490, somewhere in that area, you're only risking about 12% to try and get 90%. A risk-reward ratio of 7.2. Very good risk-reward ratio for the longs here. I might get into a COAI trade myself if I don't get stopped out. I was actually looking for 480, 483, 485, somewhere around that area. And I think that'd be a very, very good area to get into. And you can put your stop loss really tight so you don't lose too much trying to long this thing. Alright, let's look at the let's see what the oscillators are doing here for COAI. On the 1-hour time frame, looking at market cipher B, yeah, the momentum wave is rising. Okay, you're getting higher lows here on the momentum, the blue area. The money flow, the red area is starting to decrease as well. You're getting some inklings of green every now and then. You have a green buy dot that came in about an hour ago. So maybe money flow is about to curve up. Maybe this thing is ready to start going up to higher prices here. We shall see. We shall see. But that's what market ciphers B is looking like for COAI. Looks like you got some bottom and bull signals here. This was like Sunday morning, and yes, around Sunday morning, and Saturday morning too. Yeah, Saturday morning and Sunday morning. But yeah, COAI, I think it bled out this weekend, and we're just trying to see if we can get, like, if I was leverage trading this, I would only use like 2x leverage for now. I think spot trading is probably better for a lot of people if they want to be buying COAI at these prices here. I think for the spot traders, you can still make a good amount of money just spot trading it. You don't have to do too much leverage on this thing. And then let's see, MACD on the 1-hour time frame. Get away. Obviously, we had a bad Saturday, and then Sunday, the buyers started showing up, but we still kept going down in price. I was trying to get into a leverage long yesterday, about the same price, about where it's at right now. But I think, if COAI wants to continue going down to like 480, I would love to get in at 480, and then keep the stop loss tight and see where it goes from there. Looks like buying pressure is dying down though over the earlier this morning. We'll see. We're kind of in limbo land. This thing could climb the higher prices on us, or it could get that MACD flip, and we might see red again. But if we see red again, I don't think it'll be as steep as it was back here on Saturday. That was pretty brutal this Saturday to see COAI drop so fast and hard on everybody. But it did it. Yeah, it did do it. But this could be buying opportunities for COAI. You're making lower lows here on the price. And then, let's see, going back to, and you're making higher lows on the RSI, so buyers are showing up. You're getting bullish divergence here on COAI. So that's good to see as well. Alright. Hopefully that helps you out with your COAI analysis and trades here.